The same artificial intelligence that's supposed to protect your data is now arming the people trying to steal it. According to Harvard Extension School's panel of Chief Information Security Officers, AI isn't making the internet safer, it's making cyber attacks devastatingly easier to pull off. Here's why. Artificial intelligence can now generate convincing phishing emails, create deepfakes that fool even experts, and write sophisticated malware faster than human programmers ever could. Before AI, you needed a team of highly skilled hackers to launch advanced attacks. Now, a teenager with basic technical knowledge can use generative AI to craft attacks that slip past traditional security tools. The cybersecurity experts at Harvard put it bluntly, AI is changing the entire threat landscape. Three massive concerns emerged from their discussion. First, attackers are using AI to launch social engineering attacks that are incredibly hard to detect. Second, these tools are democratizing cybercrime. Less experienced threat actors can now deliver advanced attacks at scale. Third, and this is the kicker, cybercriminals are even attacking AI itself, targeting machine learning models, the data those models train on, and the API interfaces we use to access them. This isn't some far-off future threat, and the defenders are racing to catch up. So how did we end up in this position? For years, companies invested heavily in AI-powered security tools, firewalls that learn, threat detection systems that get smarter, automated response systems that react in milliseconds. These sounded like the future of defense, and they are genuinely powerful. But here's the problem. The same technology that companies can deploy in their data centers is available to everyone else too. Criminal organizations didn't sit around waiting for permission to use AI. The moment generative AI went public, they started experimenting. Within months, they figured out how to weaponize it. Now, when a hacker wants to launch a phishing campaign, the classic attack, where they trick someone into clicking a malicious link, they don't need to spend weeks crafting personalized emails. They can feed an AI their target list and get 1,000 convincing custom-written messages in minutes. That's a game changer. The defenders have better tools now, but the attackers moved faster. It's like giving both sides new technology in a chess match, except the attacker got a head start. And here's what makes this terrifying. The next generation of attacks hasn't even fully arrived yet. Let's zoom in on those three massive threats that have cybersecurity experts losing sleep. The first one is social engineering, AI-generated phishing. Imagine an email that sounds exactly like it's from your boss. The writing style is perfect. It includes inside jokes only your boss would know. The signature matches, but the email's asking you to click a link that'll steal your password. Before AI, these attacks were maybe 60 or 70% effective. Now, with AI writing personalized, targeted messages, success rates are climbing into the 80s and 90s. That's catastrophic. The second threat is what researchers call the democratization of cyberattacks. Before AI, launching a sophisticated attack required rare expertise. You needed people who understood system architecture, networking, programming, security protocols. Now, someone with zero formal training can use AI to write exploit code, map network vulnerabilities, even automate parts of an attack. This explodes the pool of potential attackers. The third threat is the Meta-1 attacks on AI itself. Cybercriminals are targeting the machine learning models that power security systems, poisoning the training data, or finding ways to manipulate the APIs. It's like attacking the immune system itself. These aren't theoretical fears. They're active threats happening right now. So what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's start with phishing. A company gets hit with AI-generated emails that impersonate senior executives requesting urgent money transfers. The messages are written perfectly, no typos, no awkward phrasing. They reference recent company news, use the right terminology, even mimic the boss's communication style. Employees who'd normally catch a scam pause for just a second, and that's all it takes. One click, one transfer, millions gone, or consider deepfakes. An attacker creates a video of a company CEO announcing a surprise acquisition or share buyback. They distribute it to the trading community before the real announcement. The market reacts. People lose money. The video's eventually revealed as fake, but the damage is done. Then there's malware. AI isn't just making it faster to write, it's making it smarter. malware that adapts in real time, changes its behavior based on what it detects about your system, and learns to evade detection. Traditional antivirus software looks for known signatures, the digital fingerprints of malware, but adaptive malware changes its signature constantly. By the time defenders catch it, it's already mutated. These aren't rare incidents. Companies are reporting these exact attacks today. The question isn't if this will happen to your organization, it's when. Here's the asymmetry that keeps security experts up at night. Defenders are playing checkers while attackers are playing chess. No, worse than that. Defenders are trying to patch every possible vulnerability, defend every possible vector, anticipate every possible attack pattern. It's defensive, it's reactive, it's exhausting. Attackers, they only need to find one weakness, just one. And now, with AI helping them, they can systematically explore millions of potential attack vectors in days, vectors that human researchers would take months to discover. Think of it like medieval fortifications versus siege weapons. A castle has to be defended on every wall, every gate, every tower. A siege engine just needs to find the one spot that breaks. Now imagine the siege engine is powered by AI and can probe the walls automatically, learning which sections are weakest, testing different approaches at machine speed. That's the reality we are living in. Companies are investing billions in cybersecurity defenses, and that's smart. But the math is brutally simple. Defenders must be right 100% of the time. Attackers only need to be right once. AI is tipping that equation even further toward the attackers, and AI's capabilities are accelerating way faster than organizations can adapt. So what does this mean for you? Well, at a personal level, data breaches. Hackers using AI to target you specifically with phishing emails, using information they've harvested from social media and public records. Attacks designed just for you. Your email provider's spam filter catches 99 out of 100. That one that slips through, it's the one that gets you. But the implications go way beyond individuals. Think about hospitals. Ransomware attacks powered by AI could cripple medical systems, making it impossible to access patient records, run diagnostics, or deliver care. That's not theoretical, it's already happened. Think about power grids, financial systems, critical infrastructure. An AI-powered attack chain could move so fast and adapt so intelligently that human operators can't even detect it's happening until it's too late. Then there's the geopolitical angle. Nations are racing to develop AI-powered cyber weapons. State-sponsored attacks are becoming more sophisticated, more damaging, and more deniable. And for businesses, the cost is staggering. A single successful attack can mean millions in ransom payments, months of disruption, destroyed customer trust, or total collapse. This is no longer a future risk. It's an immediate, present-day threat. So what's the antidote? What can organizations and individuals actually do about this? First, companies need to move from a reactive posture to a proactive one. That means threat hunting, actively searching for breaches and vulnerabilities instead of just waiting for alerts to fire. Second, invest in AI-powered defense systems, but do it intelligently. You need multiple layers, different types of AI, different detection methods, cross-checking each other. Think of it as not just having one guard, but several guards who check each other's work. Third, human expertise is non-negotiable. AI can process data faster than humans ever could, but AI alone can't make judgment calls. You need security experts who understand the business context, can interpret what the AI is telling them, and know when to trust it and when to override it. Fourth, and this is huge, behavioral monitoring. Modern attacks look normal until they are not. A system that's learning what normal looks like for your organization can spot the micro-anomalies that suggest an intrusion. Fifth, update everything. Patch management sounds boring, but outdated software is a highway for attackers. Finally, and this applies to you personally, never trust a message without verifying it. Call the sender, check the number, use multiple communication channels. Skepticism is your best defense right now. Here's the paradox that defines cybersecurity in 2026. The same technology, artificial intelligence, that's supposed to be our greatest hope for defense is simultaneously becoming our greatest threat. It's the ultimate double-edged sword. The defenders at Harvard Extension School weren't doom and gloom. They were realistic. They acknowledged that AI-powered defense systems are genuinely necessary, You can't defeat AI attackers with old-school tools. But they were also clear that traditional defenses aren't enough. Organizations need to adopt a completely different mindset. They need resilience, redundancy, and human judgment layered into their security architecture. And they need to do it now, not next year, not next quarter. Now, because the attackers aren't waiting. Every day, threat actors are getting more sophisticated, more efficient, more dangerous. Every day, they're discovering new AI techniques to exploit systems faster and harder. The technology keeps accelerating. What should you take from this? Whether you're an individual or running a company, assume you'll be targeted. Assume the attack is already happening somewhere in your systems. That paranoia isn't fear-mongering. It's just cybersecurity realism in the age of AI. Stay skeptical, stay updated, and stay alert. Follow for daily AI news so you catch the next breakthrough before it becomes a crisis.